Hi, welcome back friends. Let's make the softest and fluffiest air fryer cake ever. In a bowl, beat 2 eggs, sugar until creamy. Add oil, milk and vanilla and mix well.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the
Sieve in the flour, baking powder and baking soda.
a serene melody
Fold gently, don't overmix.
creating a soothing rhythm.
Pour the batter in the greased 6 inches tin and tap it. Bake in the air fryer at 150 Celsius for 25 minutes. Look at the beautiful brown top.
Layers to the tranquil
Soft, spongy and melts in the mouth.
escape.
Try it once, you will never buy cake from outside again.